Hello, this video is going to cover how to remove your brokerage from the buying side of a transaction if it was added in error. A question we sometimes see pop up in our chat is when an agent or an admin switches a transaction from a listing status to a pending status, they are added to the buying side of the deal, therefore it shows the brokerage is representing both. Before answering how to solve this issue, it's important to understand why this is happening. When you or an agent clicks Edit, Switch to Pending, it's going to ask you who represents the buying side. Now sometimes people go straight to confirm, leaving their own brokerage on the buying side, thus making it a dual transaction. The correct process is to choose Existing Company Contact if it's not your brokerage on the buying side, and typing in the name of that brokerage. If you've already created this brokerage as a contact, it'll pull up from your contacts list. Now, if that's not what happens, let's say that it's left on your own brokerage, they fill in any required fields and hit confirm. It'll now say you're on both, and when you come into the commissions section, you'll notice that it says Taylor Reef Real Estate on both sides of this transaction. Now, if this was done in error, you want to leave it on pending. However, you want to remove the brokerage from the buying side. You can just click on the buying side, click Edit, and put in the name of that brokerage. Now when you go back to the main screen and hit refresh on your browser, it will show you that you are now just on the selling side while you do still have that pending transaction. I hope this answers your question. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.